I've flown around the world in a plane. I've settled revolutions in Spain. The North Pole I have charted, but can't get started with you. On a golf course, I'm under par. Metro Goldwyn have asked me to start. I've got a house and a showplace, but can't get no place with you. You're so supreme. Lyrics I write of you, scheme just for the sight of you, dream both day and night of you. But what good does it do? In 1929, I sold short in England. I'm presented at court, but you've got me downhearted, 'cause I can't get started with you.